Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. If you are trying to add some participant in your WhatsApp group and it is showing like this, you couldn't add because they left the group recently. Try again later. So no need to worry, it's very pretty simple how to fix this problem. So I'm gonna show you in this video. Watch the video till the end, and also before that please do hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll get the more informative videos every day. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, here what you have to do if you're facing this kind of problem, you can't add your participant and it's emergency, then what you have to do here, it's very quick simple. So let me just get inside the WhatsApp and go to one group here. So guys, example, let me just go for this group. This is my group and you can add the participant. So what you have to do, it's very pretty simple. You just need to click here on the here on the group icon here. Just simply you need to tap here and then you have to scroll down here. Okay, so after scrolling down here, you will find, if you are an admin, you can do that. So you have to click on this invite via link. So simply click on invite via link, and then here you have to click on copy link option. So simply copy the link and then go back, and then now what you have to do, you have to go to WhatsApp again, and then after going to WhatsApp, you have to send the link to the person whom you wanna add on the group. So if you send the link to the person whom you want to add on the group, he or she should tap on the link, and then he or she can directly join to the group. So in this way you can fix this problem. I'm 110% sure. So if you like the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.